Let's talk about an interesting categorization, large and mid-cap funds. Now, large and mid-cap funds, as the name suggests, allows the fund manager to create a portfolio using large-cap stocks as well as mid-cap stocks. The only caveat here is the fund manager needs to ensure that there is 35% of large-cap stocks and at least 35% of mid-cap stocks in the portfolio. This allows the fund manager to get into the niche segment and create an optimal portfolio utilizing large and mid-cap stocks. So large and mid-cap funds typically hit the sweet spot. Think of large cap funds at this level wherein the volatility is relatively less, but at the same time the growth is relatively capped. And think of mid-cap funds which have a relatively higher volatility, but along with that gives a higher growth potential. Now the sweet spot is this category of large and mid-cap funds, which hits right in the middle and allows at least 35% of each category to comprise the portfolio. This segment of fund is typically very good for investors who have a slightly moderate aggressive kind of a risk profile and at the same time have a medium term kind of a investment tenure. Even large and mid cap funds fall under the equity category and are taxed accordingly. For funds that are redeemed within 1 year and the profits booked, the profit amount will be taxed at 15% flat. For gains booked after a holding of at least 1 year, the gains over and above 1 lakh rupees for the financial year will be taxed at 10%. This is how large and mid cap funds are taxed. Here's the bottom line, guys. For those of you who feel that large cap funds are just too conservative and mid-cap funds are typically too aggressive for you, this is the sweet spot. Large and mid-cap funds are hit right in the center into the sweet spot. So, the best way to invest into large and mid-cap funds is through the MyWay app. All you need to do is open the MyWay app and click on the large and mid-cap segment and you will be done investing in less than 2 minutes. Now, as I always say, the best time to invest is right now and the best way to do it is through MyWay.